The following is your Motion-Guard step-by-step installation guide for Adaptor-PL-S. Congratulations on your purchase. You're just a few simple steps away from a beautifully lit RV home with your new Motion-Guard or Bug-Guard fixture. This adapter plate is designed to make the installation of either the Motion-Guard MG1000-450 motion light or the Bug-Guard 520 amber / white porch light straightforward and secure. Our goal is to help you complete this project with confidence. Let's begin. With your old 2- and 4-hole fixtures compatibility confirmed on the Motion-Guard Adaptor-PL-S Fitment Chart as shown here, the next step is to verify the dimensions of the Adaptor-PL-S. The Adaptor-PL-S measures 8 1/4 by 4 7/8 and is 5/8 of an inch thick. This design integrates weep holes at the bottom, as shown here, a crucial detail that ensures any moisture is efficiently drained away. This thoughtful design gives you peace of mind and protects your wall from potential damage like delamination. The following are the Adaptor-PL-S installation instructions. It should be noted that if the adapter plate installation instructions, as pictured here and included in each of the listings for the differing adapter plates available are followed, there will be no need for our customers to apply sealer to the sealer groove on the back of the adapter plate. But if you are like some others that have chosen to use the sealer expansion groove when mounting the Adaptor-PL-S, do not seal the 2 weep holes. These openings are vital for preventing moisture buildup. These 2-hole and 4-hole fixtures are listed on the adapter plate fitment chart. The Optronics, number RVPL5A BP, and the Bargman, number 3078515. The arrows shown here denote the fixture screws that have to be removed to get to the next step. This is the wall after the old fixture was removed, clearly showing the mounting holes, an unpainted area, deformed wall decals, and surface contamination. This is important. You'll want to seal the wire pass-through hole with a good waterproof sealant. This is a simple but important way to prevent any moisture from getting into the wall and not having to use the expansion groove on the back of the adapter plate. Now, by using our Adaptor-PL-S design, you will get a seamless upgrade for your project. It exactly matches and reuses your existing mounting holes, ensuring a hassle-free installation. Plus, it completely covers the old fixture's footprint and all that stubborn, hard-to-remove surface contamination, giving your RV's wall a fresh, clean, custom look without extra effort. At this point, use the longer provided screws to securely fasten the adapter plate A into place. You can now go ahead and wire your Bug-Guard or Motion-Guard fixture to your coach as shown in the picture. A helpful tip: these fixtures are not polarity sensitive, meaning you can connect the wires without concern for positive or negative. After wiring, use your inside porch switch to test the chosen fixture. If it functions as expected, proceed to the next step. After you've securely connected the fixture wires, align the Bug-Guard or Motion-Guard fixture with the screw holes on the adapter plate. Then, use the short screws provided to mount the fixture to the plate. The final step is to snap the lens into place. Once the lens is secured, the installation is complete. Okay. Now, with all the wall penetrations sealed, there is now no need to put any sealant around the perimeter of the fixture, giving it that very good custom look. Any water that would migrate behind the fixture will come out the weep holes in both the bottom of the adapter plate or those thoughtfully designed into the back of the fixture. So remember that when you want to upgrade to new, more modern fixtures, upgrading with Motion-Guard or Bug-Guard fixtures, there's no need to settle for a faded, unpainted, or crud-covered area that looks like this. When it should look like this. Here are just a few of our many satisfied customers who've installed Motion-Guard security lighting. They've experienced a vast improvement in both security and personal safety, along with noticeable power savings during their camping trips. The common sentiment? They all wished they'd upgraded sooner, and now, with our innovative adapter plates, making the switch is easier than ever. In most cases, you won't need to drill any new holes, and we'll ensure any unpainted areas on your coach are completely covered. The result is a seamless, custom installation that will look even better than your original factory light. We appreciate you watching. Should anything come up, whether it's a question or you need a hand with anything, feel free to reach out to us. You can call us directly at 623-466-2367 or send an email to info@rvlights.com. We're here for you. Travel safe. Please like and subscribe.